Now next we are going to discuss the vertebrae. Rather than going directly to thoracic vertebrae, first of all we'll discuss what are the features of a typical vertebrae. Now the typical vertebrae is made up of the parts. First is the body. This is body. So this is the anatomical position of the vertebrae. First of all, the body lies anteriorly. You can see this is shaped like a short cylinder and it is rounded from side to side. ठीक है? So it is having an upper surface and a lower surface. ठीक है? And it is attached to the adjoining vertebrae by an intervening intervertebral disc, as you know. So first feature is the body lies anteriorly. It is shaped like a cylinder and it is rounded from side to side. It has an upper surface and a lower surface. It is joined to another vertebrae by one disc, that is intervertebral disc. Now you can see projecting from the body backwards, there are masses. These masses are known as pedicels. Right and left short rounded bars which project backwards from the posterior aspect of the body. These are the pedicels which are projecting backwards from the posterior aspect of the body. These are pedicels. We can see that each pedicel is now continuous posteromedially with a vertical plate of bone. These are known as laminas. ठीक है? This is pedicel. They are continuous posteromedially with the vertical plate of bone. So these are the laminas. The lamina of the two sides, you can see these lamina of the two sides, they pass medially to meet in the midline. They are passing medially to meet in the midline. Lamina, these are the laminas and these are the pedicels. They together form the neural arch. You can see here, these are the pedicels and these are the laminas. They are together forming the neural arch. Now what is this foramen? This foramen is the vertebral foramen which is bounded anteriorly by the posterior aspect of the body and posteriorly by the laminas. Passing backwards and usually downwards. ये laminas हैं, laminas which are passing downwards and passing backwards and usually downwards. From the junction of the two laminae there is a spinous process. This process you can see, this is a spinous process. Now from the junction of these are the pedicels and lamina. Pedicels और lamina के junction पे laterally there is one projection. This process is known as the transverse process. The spinous process and transverse process are serving as a lever for the muscles of the vertebral column. Okay, so these are the transverse process which are arising from the junction of the pedicel and lamina. ठीक है, these are the transverse process. Next we come to again from the junction of the pedicel and laminae there are a projection. These processes that are going upwards. ठीक है, these are known as superior articulating या superior articular processes, and from this junction passing downwards these are the inferior articular processes. अब ये जो processes हैं, these processes bears a smooth articular facet which will, you can see these are the superior articulating facets and here these are the inferior articulating facet. They will articulate like this. मतलब the superior articulating facet of the lower vertebrae and inferior articulating facet of the upper vertebrae will articulate like this, so thereby forming one foramina. This is the intervertebral foramina. Change.